Have you ever paused to ponder how much energy we consume daily and the impact this has on our planet? We live in a world powered by energy, from the electricity that lights up our homes to the fuel that drives our cars. But this constant need for energy comes with a heavy price. Our planet is bearing the brunt of our consumption habits, with rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and unpredictable weather patterns. It's clear we need to find sustainable solutions to this energy problem, and fast. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, potentially comes into play. Imagine a system that can learn from our habits, optimize our use of energy, and even predict future consumption trends. A system that could potentially revolutionize the way we view and use energy. So, how does AI fit into this energy puzzle? Let's delve into a real-life case study. Take the case of Google's data centers, where AI has been used to optimize energy consumption. These massive data centers, which power our searches, emails, and cloud storage, also consume vast amounts of energy, particularly for cooling. So, how did Google use AI to tackle this problem? Google leveraged the power of AI to reduce the energy used for cooling their data centers by a whopping 40%. They turned to DeepMind, their own AI platform, to analyze the countless variables that affect energy consumption in these centers. The AI system was fed with data ranging from the weather outside to the actions performed by the servers inside. Through machine learning, the AI began to recognize patterns, predict future scenarios, and make decisions on how to optimize energy usage. It could foresee when the servers would be busiest, needing more cooling, and when they could afford to take it easy. It even adjusted the cooling system in response to the forecasted weather, ensuring the least amount of energy was used. The results were nothing short of impressive. By implementing AI, Google managed to cut the energy used for cooling by 40%, a significant reduction that not only saved costs, but also greatly reduced the carbon footprint of the data centers. But it doesn't stop